woke up thinking there's a gunshot, but I almost think that there's a fireworks, but sure. Fireworks, gunshots, and plus it's raining right now. And guess what? It's a freaking thunderstorm. It's a thunderstorm going around, right? See that? That's thunder. That's thunder right there. That's thunder. If that's fireworks or thunder. Okay? That's gotta be fireworks or thunder. Okay? There's so many. Hear that? Hear that? That's the sound of either fireworks or gunshots. But there's a probably low chance of thunderstorm. That's my neighbor. It's impossible to think that this is fireworks or thunders. Is it possible to think this is not fireworks? But I guess it's thunder. Yeah, thunder in Taiwan. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, I love this. Wow. Okay. This. Hear that? That's thunder, alright? That's thunder. Straight thunder. This lightning storm is so strong. It has lightnings every, I don't know, 1 point, I don't know how. But it's lightning very much here in Taiwan. Hear that? Hear that? That's a strong thunder. I'll be just recording this for a while. Oh, that's a big lightning right there. I'll be recording this. Wow. So sad. This is a very violent thunderstorm. Even the dogs are barking right now. And this, I'm gonna just record this until the thunder stops, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty violent thunderstorm right there. Wait for this one last thunderstorm. I'll stop recording. Wait for it. Just wait for it. Stop barking. Oh wow. That's a nice thunder. Oh shoot, that's pretty light. Belay. It's a thunderstorm, alright? You can't just have a thunderstorm without thunder. Just like the same thing with burgers. You can't have a burger without meat. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like. Oh, sub. And hope there's a lot of views here. I only have 25 subs. Maybe I can catch up to my little sis. Yeah, 58 subs. Okay. Use crappy shorts, and I hope I can just. Oh, I hope I just can make it over to. I can just have 100 subs. I can just show off though. I hope I can just maybe just pass my little sis with this one video. I hope I can. And this thunder is very bright anyway now, and I bet that some kind of fireworks or thunder stopped also. That's a plane, not a thunder. But yeah, that's be today's video. So Peace.